I want to build my PC.
Please, I must know more.
I will build my PC with components purchased online from reputable vendors.
What CPU will you use?
My PC will have a CPU with cores. There will be numerous cores. The cores will be symmetric. Each core will run in parallel with n-dimensional concurrent quantum dipole processing.
Will your CPU support threading?
Threading. Yes. My cores will do threading. Each core will thread. There will be a thread that runs all the other threads.
What model of CPU are you considering?
I'm looking at the Rhinoceros Turbo Deep Think Hypercompute Dynamic Rectangle.
Version 1 or 2?
Version 2, of course. It has the enhanced parallel implementation pipelining daisy-chained with on-chip look-ahead command decoding. On the weekends it searches for extraterrestrial life.
Why wouldn't it?
My PC will have RAM. It will have so much tremendous RAM. There will be quad-channel RAM with multiplexed bus mastering. There will be so much RAM. There will always be an extra socket for RAM upgrades.
How about your video card?
My video card is the OptiView iBlaster Multi-Dimensional X Bondo Color Remaster 6000 Plus. It takes up 4 slots and it comes with a team of scientists. It processes real-time polygonal 4D rendering while providing computing services for a small college in the vertical refresh.
My watch can do that. Are you installing liquid cooling in your new PC?
My new PC will be liquid-cooled. The liquid is 50% water and 50% perspiration from Nobel Prize-winning physicists. When I turn on the liquid cooling, there will be icicles on my eyebrows. The Earth's temperature will drop by 2 degrees. Global warming will be solved.
What operating system will you install?
It will boot all versions of Windows, Ubuntu Linux, BSD Unix, and an Atari 800 emulator.
How about mass storage?
My primary mass storage device will be an array of 3 exabyte SSD drives. That will be backed up by a RAID array of highly redundant storage media, mirrored by a digital tape system in the cloud.
In the cloud?
Of course, in the cloud. All data is backed up in the cloud.
I see. In the cloud. What web browser will you use?
Internet Explorer 5.0. Internet Explorer is the best web browser for downloading other web browsers.
What monitor are you adding to your new PC?
I have ordered a Plyflex Neurolaminated Pixel Magic with ultra extreme rich color depth. The color is so deep that if you look at it too long you will drown. It hangs on the wall in my office, wraps around the corner and goes into the living room. The rich color depth is visible from outer space.
How about the case? Will your new PC have a case?
My new PC will have a case. The case will have handles on all sides so I can carry it to LAN parties. The case will have a bottle opener, espresso maker, panini press, juice bar, AM/FM radio, nose hair trimmer, and lights.
Lights?
Yes, lights. A PC case has lights. It is a moral imperative. My PC case will light up in a veritable plethora of colors. The lights will spin and flash and cause epileptic seizures in hamsters.
What software will you run on the PC you are building?
Notepad++. That has some color in it.